videos. And I want to thank you, my awesome subscriber, for helping us reach 2,200 subscribers. Thank you so much. It's a pleasure and an honor to be here, giving out valuable content to you. Thank you so much. Without you, there's no channel. God bless you. All right, so today we have XNO/USDT. So let's quickly check, do the simulations, check our parameters, and see whether this will work. All right, so let's go ahead with that. So first off, let's just quickly see how much we can get. So first we have the price is 0.697. Okay, and then with that, with our $20, we can get 28.69. So let's quickly copy this and then go over and see what we can get in KuCoin. So currently here on KuCoin, and let's quickly paste what we have and see what we get. Okay, so we have 20.21. That looks a little bit slim. But let's just go ahead and see whether this is depositable or whether it's also withdrawable. All right, so let's quickly look at this. Since we're here on KuCoin, let's see the deposit network and see what exactly we're going to be able to deposit it with. All right, so let's see. It says here, attention, please note that the minimum deposit is 0.01. Okay, let's see. Let's go ahead and check. So it has the Nano network. Let's go ahead and see what this has. Okay, Nano network. Okay, fine. Let's hope that in Binance we can also get the Nano network. Let's quickly rush over there. All right, so let's click on the withdraw and see whether this is good. Okay, let's check on XNO, and let's see what the withdrawal network. Oh, it's also Nano. That's good. So what do we have here? The network fee is 0.034. Let us go and check how much that gives us. So the withdrawal fee we just saw was 0.034. So let's see how much that costs. Okay, so it's just about, let's even make it 0.4. That's like about 0.027. That's not bad, just in the range of 3 cents. So I think we can go ahead with this. It's not like as if the profit margin is so great, but at least if you have like $1,000, you should be able to make some good profit of like $10 from this. So let's go ahead and see. So we're just going to go ahead and just quickly try to buy this, okay? So let's quickly do this, and then we try to let's take our screenshots, and then let's buy. Okay, I can see that we are in the queue. Wow, so what do we have to do to make this work? Let's quickly see the chart, because if I try to pick up something higher, I'm going to find out that this is not going to be as profitable, though the margins are already slim. So, but if it is able to just go down a bit, we should be able to get it. So let's just see how long this will take. If it's taking longer than usual, but before I go ahead, let me just even cancel and then see if I choose this higher amount, what it's going to give me. Wow, it's going to come down to 28.65. If I copy that, let me quickly go and check how much I'm going to make in KuCoin. If it's still worth it, I'll go ahead and do it. If not, we'll just let's just see. We'll just go ahead with this. Let me just see what this gives us. 20.18. Oh, and it's going to take like 3 cents. No, I don't think I want to do this. Let's go back and make sure that we place our buy limit. Okay. So let's come here and just quickly place our buy limit. Okay. Let's go ahead with this. So we're currently in the queue. Let's see how long this will take, and then we'll be back to give you the results shortly. Awesome. So right now it has already bought. Okay, so what do we have here? We've got 28.66. So let's quickly rush over to send this over to KuCoin. Let's not waste any more time. So let's quickly do this. We're going to KuCoin. Where am I going to again? So we're going to KuCoin. Let's just quickly click on KuCoin. What's going on here? I can see that the price is going down, but no problems. Well, we are already here. So let's go ahead and send it over. What we're just going to have to do, definitely most likely is going to have to be a sell limit, but let's quickly go ahead and quickly pick our deposit. Let's go ahead. Let's pick our deposit address. Okay. Let's do this quickly. We don't want to waste time. Let's go ahead and click on this and do this quickly. Let's not waste time. Okay, so let's quickly withdraw. Yeah, so let's withdraw our nano. Nano. Oh, sorry. It was supposed to be XNO. You know, all these names. You just have to quickly know them, right? So let's click on this. Okay. Now let's click on the address. Let's paste that in. Let's click on the max. Okay. So everything is here. You can see we're going to get 28.62. So let's go ahead and click on withdraw. Okay. So let's quickly do this. All right. So I'm going to put in my verifications and I'll be back to continue the trade. Finally. Oh my gosh, it took such a long while for this to come in. I think it's almost like the longest 40 something minutes in transfer. Wow, that is such a long time. Such a long time. Anyways, we're finally here. Let's just still hope that the opportunity still exists. Oh, does it? Oh, it's even looking good. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Let's see. Wow, what's going on here? Oh, I have to transfer. Now I was getting so ecstatic about it. So we need to transfer it from funding, right? We have to transfer it from funding. Where is funding? Yes, that's it. It's in funding. In funding? Max? No. Can you just imagine that? Sorry about that. It's XNO. XNO. So we need to transfer the max. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Now let's quickly do this quickly. Oh, did you hear that? Okay, so let's do this quickly. Let us do this quickly. Oh my gosh, what is here? Why? Why? What's going on here? Why do I have only this? Well, it's actually better than it was before. So what it is? What is this? So this is 780. Wow. I don't want this. Let me see if I do this. It's going to make it lower. If I go here, it's going to make it higher. So, well. Am I going to do this? Let me make sure that I start with this first. If it's wasting time, I'm going to come here and change it. So let's quickly do this. All right. Okay, let me put in my verifications and we'll continue. All right, so currently right now we're in the queue. So let's see how long this is going to take. Oh, am I going to wait for this long? I don't think I want to do that. Let me quickly cancel it and see what I can get sharp. Okay, so if I quickly do this, what will I get? I think I'll just have to go with something lower. Oh no, this is not fine. This is not good. I don't want to do this. Let me just wait in the queue for a while. Let's just wait in the queue for a while. Let me just wait. Come on, wait. Okay, so let's just wait. Let's just wait for a while. I don't know how long this is going to take. Let me look at the charts. And, oh, yeah. It's still going to go up. You can see it's pumping. It's going to go up. So let's just give it a little bit of time. We're just about to sell this, so let's not try to shortchange ourselves because this is still going to go up. And if for any reason it doesn't, I'll be back to change it. So let's keep our fingers crossed and I'll be back with the results. See you shortly. All right. Oh, I'm back and I can see that it's really going down. So I'm just going to quickly look at doing this, but it's not really giving a good sign. The only one we can use in this order book right now is 70.75. So if I click on 70.75, let's see what that's going to give us. Click on 70.75 because it's actually going down. I don't want it to get to a point where we will not be able to do this. So let's just cancel. And then let's try to put 100%. Oh, so we're still going to lose. I mean, I could have taken advantage of this earlier, but that's fine. Let's just quickly move on and let's not waste any more time. So let's go ahead and then get it sold. Okay, so did we get it sold? Yes, I think we did. So what did we make? We made 26 cents. Yes, that's good. That's good. So the moral of this is this, right? We tried to get a higher price, but then we noticed that the price was going down because when I checked the charts, I saw that, it started going down. And this is quite risky because it experienced a good pump, and then now it's going down. So it's better that you just quickly take advantage of what you can get before something else happens. So it was going down, and I just felt okay. The next in line was that 70.75, which, because the other ones on top of it didn't have the liquidity that we needed. We only had like 3, 2 and thereabouts. So that's why I went for the one that had a good liquidity of 33 pieces of XNO. And that's how we got here at having our 26 cents. And what is 26 cents? That should be 1.3% if I'm right. So let's just check. So that's 20. Don't forget we started out with 20. So 20 times 1.3%. Am I right? So that's 26 cents. So let's go ahead and continue looking for other opportunities. Okay, so with this one, please don't forget, when you're doing your inter-exchange arbitrage, you need to check on all the parameters, make sure things, oh God, it's going up again. It's going up again. But it still hasn't gotten to, oh yes, it's going up, but it still hasn't gotten to the amount of liquidity that we need. Good one anyways. So anyways, if you have any questions or if you have anything that you would like to share with me in the comments, please let me know in the comments down below. If you're interested in learning more, don't forget to click on the link in the description and you'll be chatting with me. Thank you once again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Hello and welcome back to Income Strategies, the place where you'll learn the skills to make money, to multiply your money, and to manage your money. Wow, wow, wow. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have another episode of Q&A that we're going to take sharp. Okay, so I'm currently on one of the videos here that talks about triangular arbitrage on Binance with IUSD coins. So I'm just going to go straight into looking at the questions, and I'll do this very quickly. I'll just take maybe 1, 2 questions here so that we can all learn together. All right, so somebody says here, congratulations for your video. It is one of the few videos that is real and it has the right results, and it shows in the trading history too. Thank you so much. Yes, I always show the trading history so that you can see what I'm doing. Thank you so much. If I may ask, please, how do you spot the markets you want to trade on? Or can you please do a short video on how to spot the markets I want to trade on? So when you're talking about markets, right? Let's go to Binance. Let's just take a good look at Binance here. So when we're looking at markets, let me go to the markets. This is the portion where you look at markets. There's so many kinds of markets, right? We have the USDT markets, we have so many, the BNB, the spot, the future. So we're on the spot market, right? So there's so many markets that are here. Then you click on market. Now look at this. There are quite a number of markets here. We have the USDT market, we have FUSD, we have TUSD, we have BUSD, so many kind of markets, right? Yeah, so but what we need to look at are several different components to find the markets to work on. Now, in Binance, we have what we call compare markets, right? And that's like what I would call Binance internal, you can call it, arbitrage finder, as you would like to call it. Yeah. So if I go to my spot trading section here and I click on the 3 dots, it will bring out a couple of things, and under it you will see compare market. Now, depending on the version that you have, it might be a little different. Now, this is the updated version, right? So probably if you don't update your own app, you might not see it exactly like this, but definitely you will see compare market somewhere along the line. So compare market shows you the different markets where each particular coin is listed on. And when you say, how do you spot markets to trade on? Right? So you can look at the different markets. We have the TUSD, we have USDT, we have BNB, we have BTC. Now, when you find a difference between them, that is where you now choose a market to trade with. Okay, so normally when it comes to triangular arbitrage, that's when you're looking at different markets to trade with. So I just want you to understand that triangular arbitrage just simply means you're looking for disruptions in the markets, like the differentials that happen within the market, because you have to understand that this happens from time to time, and all you just have to do is try to locate where those disruptions are. When you find those, that's where the arbitrage can take place. So now let's look at this ARKM coin, which is 42 cents, right? You can see Let me enlarge this so that we can see this better. Okay, so you can see, like, some of us may have, if maybe by the time you join Binance, maybe your what's it called now, your currency was denominated in your country's currency. You can always go to settings to change to USD. Okay, so that's how I like to look at the price. I don't like seeing it in Naira. I'm in Nigeria, so I don't want to see it in Naira. I always like to see it in USDT or USD, so it makes everything easy for me to see. So now this is 42 cents. So you can see that ARKM USDT is 42 cents. That's 0.4232. You will see that TUSD is 4247, right? That's like, there's a difference of like between 32 and you can see it's 46. Can you see that? Yeah, the first two numbers are the same. So you can see here ARKMTRY is 4279, and that's how it goes. So that's how you spot the differences, right? But the truth of the matter is that when you're trying to trade, you have to consider the price of the coin. Very important. Now, look at this one that is 42 cents. If I have $100, let me show you what I'm talking about. Look at this. If I currently have $100 here, if I want to check how many I will get, I'll just click on 100%. It will give me 236 pieces, right, of ARKM. Now, if I say I want to go ahead and try this arbitrage, I'm only dealing with 236 pieces. So even if I'm making 1 cent, right, over each one, which obviously you can't even do that because you won't even get as much as that, right? It's not going to be as much as if I have a lower price coin, right? So let's look at a smaller price coin. Let's take a look. Let me go back to markets and let's look at this other one that's cheaper. Let's just look for one that's less than $1. Okay, so less than 10 cents. Okay, look at this one. This is CHZ. It's 6 cents. Let's look at it. Now, if I get into it and I now try to buy, you will see now if I try to buy this and I pick 100%, can you see now I have 1,620 pieces of CHZ. Now, this is going to determine how much you can make, and that's the truth. If I'm making 1 cent on each of these pieces, I'm going to make 1 cent times 1,620. If I'm making 1 cent each on the other coin, that's going to be 200 and whatever times 1 cent, and that's going to be less. So those are the things we have to look at. Now, the same thing applies. Whatever coin you're looking at, just always look for the compare markets. Okay, I'm using this to let you know when you're asking a question about which market should you trade on. You have to look at these differentials. When you look at these differentials, then you now begin to see whether, okay, by the time you do your, what's it called now, you do your simulations, whether there will be money. Then you can do your advanced simulation, taking the order book into consideration to see whether you really make profit or not. Now, most YouTubers will stop at just simulation. I like to do my trades live, okay? Because I want to be able to look at the market conditions. I want to be able to see what's going on in the order book. I want to be able to see, okay, can I really make profit looking at the volume inside of that exchange concerning that currency? So it's very important that we look at all of these things. So let's take a quick look at this. Let me enlarge this for you to see. Good. We have 61 at BNB. That's 061. We have 061. Okay, 0616, 0618 at BRL. BTC is 0615, 0617. Wow. Then EUR. So normally I like to use the base currency as USDT. Reason being, it's easier for me to work with. Well, at times I may have to change. Looking at this, which one is the cheapest price? You have to look at what is the cheapest price. Which one is the cheapest price? We can see that it looks like BTC 0615. We have 0618 as BRL. We have 0616 as BNB. Then where's the USDT? USDT is 0617. Let me show you that. 0617. Let's look at that. 0617. So which one would I go for? Wow. It's looking like that the cheapest we're seeing here is BTC 0615, right? And then we now have to see, okay, if that is the cheapest, we have to change, USDT to BTC and then carry this trade out. Let's just try and see how this looks like, right? So because I don't have BTC, I have to first of all buy BTC, okay? All these are just simulations. You have to realize everything we're doing is simulation for now. I'm just trying to answer the question that was asked me. How do I spot markets to trade on? Okay, so let me go to BTC. I'm just going to do a quick simulation to understand why I will go for that particular market of BTC versus, and putting it against USDT. So I have to choose the lowest price, and that is on the BTC market. Are you getting that? So now if I choose this, I'm going to have to buy 100. So this is going to give me 0.00370. It's not picking everything, and that's always what you have to realize. It's not picking everything. You can see it's only going to pick up 99.95, so it's going to leave 5 cents. Okay, so but that's not a problem. What we're just trying to do is to simulate it to see whether we'll make money or not. Okay, so let's go back to the that was CHZ, I guess. Yes, CHZ. That is CHZ. CHZ. All right, so I'm going to go back to that, and now what I want to do, I want to buy using BTC. So I'm going to pick up, what's the smallest? Oh, it's now 0616. Can you see that BTC has moved up? Okay, that's what we see. That can you see it now? BNB is 0616. BTC is also 0616. Let's still go ahead. Let's still try. There's still just one difference. There won't be so the difference is going to be slim, and that's why you must have a difference, a good difference between each of the markets. But I'll still go ahead. Let's go ahead and put in. Let's put in the amounts that we want. Let me just do this and do that again. And put in the BTC amount. Okay. So I'm getting with the bit. Let me put that again very well. I'm going to put in the BTC, just paste that there. We're going to get 1622. So let me copy that. So we go back and try to sell it. We'll sell the CHZ, right, to USDT. Okay, USDT has increased. It's 0618. Okay, let's see. 0618. Let's go ahead and see if we're going to make any money. Okay, so now we're going to have to do this. Paste. Can you see that it's not really much, right? We bought the there is there is a change. What am I saying? There is a profit, but it's just 23 cents. That is less than 1%. But is there a profit? Yeah. I mean, imagine you're raising $1,000 for this. You'll make like $2.30 over that. Now, is there a profit? Yes, but the profit is very slim. If you were doing this with like $10 or $20, all you just make is probably like 2 cents or 3 cents. So you can see that the profit is there, but it's very, very limited. Now, I'm just using this to show you an example of how to choose a market to trade. And I hope this has been clear to somebody. All right, let's go over back into our questions and see what else we need to answer. Good. So let's see. Is it possible with market order for fast execution? This question always comes up. Yes, it's possible, but you're not going to make money. If you want to get fast execution, you can do market order, but you are not going to make money. You will probably make a loss. So I will say, just be patient, do limit order, and I tell you, it may take you a couple of hours, but you will get the exact amount of money that you have planned it to be. So because if you set a buy limit, sorry, you set a sell limit, that's the exact amount of money you will get, right? But if you do market order, you're not going to make that profit. You won't make that profit at all, right? What's going to happen is that it's going to be less, and then you're probably going to end up at a loss. Okay, so I'll just take one more question. It says, how many trades can I take? Is it limit, or can I take unlimited trades? Actually, you can take as many trades as will get executed with on limit order. Now, like I said, depending on the volume, depending on the liquidity, depending on the movement of price, your trade can get executed within minutes, right? And once it gets executed, you can take out another trade. You don't have to wait like just one trade a day. No, you can do several trades within a day. It's unlimited, right? You can take it as many times as you want. As long as it gets executed, you can definitely get it done. I think at this point, I'm done answering these questions. Thank you so much for all the lovely comments I'm seeing here. Yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you all. Thank you for all the questions. I hope you've learned something today. Please, if you have any more questions, always drop them. I'll try to do this question and answer series more often so that we can clear things on our desks and we'll be able to understand what we should be doing in our trade. And if you want to join our, VIP program, you want to join our training classes, all you just have to do is click on the link in the description and you'll be chatting with me. Till I see you next time, God bless you and have a beautiful day. Take care. this is good. Looks like this will work. Wojak. What a name. Wojak. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Wojak. Let's put $20 there. Wojak. Okay. Let's copy that. Cut. Sell. It's actually on the highest, so we have to choose something that what do we have here now? 142. So let's put let me put 143. Okay. Wojak. What a name. Ah, what's that? Nothing money. That is nothing money. Okay. Let's remove all of these out. So let's put 1415. Will it go to 15? I don't know. Let's put Wojak here. Okay. That's a lot of money. Okay. Let's see where it will go. Let's see. I love the fact that it's on, it's on pump mode. Let's go with it. Let's just work with this. Let's work with this. Let's work with this. Okay. Let's go with it. One to go. Oh, cancel that. Don't forget. Always tap. Always tap. Always tap. Always tap. Always tap. I don't like the way BitGet does its things, but you must always tap. Always tap. Always tap. Oh, you must always tap. Because if you don't, it might give you a higher price. Okay. Let's see if we can. All right. Confirm. Did it buy? Didn't look like it bought. It looks like, let me cancel it. Let's cancel it. Let's go check what's going on in the order book. Let's check it out. We'll have to buy it at a higher price. Oh, see, the higher price is 14302. That's the reason why. Oh, see it. See, for us to buy this, we have to buy it as 14302. 14301. Wow, look at it. That's the only way we can get it in the pot. It's expensive right now, but that's the only way we can get it bought. Wow. Let me see if I put this at 14. This is 14279. I put it at 1428. Let me see if it will allow me by. Let's see whether it would allow me by. I don't know. If it would allow me by, let me see. Let's see. One more thing. We're still in the queue. Nah. So we're still in the queue. So because of that, would I have to go with a higher price? I don't know. Let's check it out. If I go with a higher price, it is 143. 143 is a higher price. This looks like it's gonna go, but I'm just having a little feeling. Look at that. I'm seeing the Bollinger flatten out. It might just be on its way down shortly. It might just be on its way down, and I might be wrong. Okay, let's just give it a try. Let's give it a try. So we'll have to buy it at a higher price. That's what's going to happen. That's how we can get this sold. We'll just have to buy it at a higher price. Okay. Nah. I'm scared. I don't know. Should I go with this? Why would I want to go with this? It's going to go up. It's 4142. Let's see. I don't know if this is actually going to work for us, but I'm just hoping it would. Maybe I should just make a buy limit. Maybe I should do a buy limit. Maybe we should just wait for it. Can you see? Maybe we should just wait for it. Maybe it will get to that point. It's going up. 14288. Maybe we need to just go with this thing. I think if we wait for it, it might not happen. Let's go for it. Let's just take it up. Let's take it up. Let's just cancel it. Let's go for the higher price and place our sell limit. All right. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. Okay. How many is that gonna give me? Let's just put that $20 in there, and we'll just go for it. Want to go? Let's see. Yeah, it bought. It bought. Okay. So our next work now is to give it a sell limit, and let's hope that this will work for us. Okay. So I'm gonna put in. This is 14255. So I'm just gonna put in. Let me put in 144, right? 144, and then let's see how much we will get. Oh, that's not much. Let's do 145, 145. Okay, that's more than 1%. Let's do 146. Let me see what would that give me. Okay, that's like 2%. 147. 147. Let me see what would that give me. 53 cents. Would I get that? I don't know. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. Let's see. If it doesn't get up to that point, we'll definitely cash out as long as we're in profit. Let's wait and see. Let's hope that this goes to 143. It's looking like it's going to go up, push up. Let's hope so. Let's wait and see. Let's see how this goes. That's why we're here. It's going up actually. So let's wait and see. Woo, woo, woo. Awesome. Look at this. Look at this, my dears. Oh my God. Wojak gave us 2.5%. Wojak. Let's check it out. We got 51 cents from $20. Oh my God. What's that? That looks like the highest percentage so far. So 20 times 2.5%. Oh my God. It's even 2.51 or thereabout. Oh my God. We made 2.5%. Beautiful. This is, oh my God, you gotta give me a clap right now. Gotta give me a clap and give me a like. Oh my God, 2.5%. That's beautiful. That's the highest so far. And we did it on BitGet. Oh my God, thumbs up for you, BitGet. So see here, we've got 51 cents and some change. Let's go ship that out as usual, right? I just want to ship that out. Ship out the profit, right? You gotta ship out the profit. Put that in funding. No, it's supposed to be USDT. Okay, put all, and then we'll ship it out. Good, we ship it out so that we are sure that our profit is going safe into where it's supposed to be. All right, so we're going back in. As you can see, we are back with our $20. Okay, and Wojak really did well. Let's see the charts. Wojak did well, and it's now going down. It has to have its pullback time, of course. We can see that the Bollinger Band is still going up. Beautiful. Still going up. And the RSI is, that's it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Welcome to Spot Trading Live with Income Strategies. Thank you for joining. If you're watching, thank you so much for joining. And if you're watching the replay, you're welcome, welcome, welcome. Please say hi in the comments and let me know that you're here. Let me know where you're watching from. That will be so good to know. All right. So what are we doing today? We're going to be doing some good spot trading activities across 4 different platforms. Yes, you heard me right. All right, so without much ado, let's go into what we have for us today. So as you can see here, we have $350 that we'll be working with on Binance. Let's start with our all-time favorite, which is Binance. Okay, let's go ahead and now for our spot trading, I love to use gainers, right? And you can use any of these, right? You can use gainers. You can, let me just enlarge this. You can use gainers. You can use losers. You can use new listings. But my all-time best is gainers. And the reason being that The reason why I like to use gainers, and let me show you this, is because when a coin is pumping, there is a more likelihood that it will continue to pump at least for another 24 hours. The reason being that when a coin is in pump mode, like someone asked me, what do you mean by pump mode? I'll explain that in a bit, right? When a coin is in pump mode, take a look at this. Don't forget that this is a trading session, right? And we're also having a tutorial alongside with it. Now look at this, right? When you see that a coin is already plus 31.21%, it means that at least in the next 24, and this was just within the 24 hours, time frame, it means that at least it would not fall below 15%. Reason being that there's no way within the next 24 hours that it will totally go flat. No, it will still be in the rise, but it may not rise as much as 31%, right? So I need you to understand that when coins are in pump mode, remember that, especially when we have really nice ones, 31%, 20%, 15%, and there's anything in the range of 10% above, it will naturally, right, still keep that rise within the next 24 hours. Now, I know that there are quite a number of, opinions, and the same thing cuts across. And I'm going to explain this out one more time so that we understand it, right? Take a look at it. I'm just going to repeat this one more time for those of us that just joined us, right? Now, if you're using gainers, let me show you this very clearly. Now, if you're using gainers, right, and take, for example, which of these coins is this? Let's see, that's Cyber. Wow, that's interesting. I haven't seen that one before. All right. So let's say you're using Cyber. Cyber rose up like 31% within the last 24 hours. In the next 24 hours, it wouldn't go below 15%. Now, I'm sure, I know there's some rare situations, right, that people with deep pockets will come around and just sell off. Or maybe people that want to sell off their portfolio and then it will now dump the price. It's possible, but that's a very rare situation. Okay, it's not like the norm. The norm is that if it's 31%, it wouldn't drop below 15% within the next 24 hours. That is the point I'm trying to make here. Now, another thing that could happen, which people tend to say, is that, when it's already in pump mode, it's about to switch. Yes, you're not too far from the truth, but that's why you need to be able to look at the technical analysis very well and make your good choices. But the first thing that you must look at is the fact that gainers will naturally still rise. Okay, losers will still lose. Let me tell you the truth. Losers will still lose, and that's the truth. You cannot take. Yeah, even though the plan is that when you go to losers, people say, if you're in losers, it's gotten to the bottom. It's gotten to the bottom. So maybe in a few moments, it's going to switch it up. It's just a probability. That's the truth. It's a probability. It might not switch. It might still go down. I've tested it out. I've seen a couple. I've seen it happen like that. You may think that, it's going to switch. It's going to switch. My dear, it might not always switch. It might still go down. That's the reason why I'm still talking about gainers. Now, what about new listings? The concept behind new listings, and which you need to understand, is that when a coin is newly listed, right, it has the propensity to have a lot of volatility. That's it. Now, take a good look at this. This NTR, it was still new like last week here, because it's just about not even up to a month old, right? The truth is, it will definitely be on top because it's one of the newest one and has the most volatility. Volatility has to do with movement. Let me just check that out for you so you can understand what I'm saying. So volatility means that it's going up, it's going down, right? It's quite risky in the sense that any new coin is risky, right? Any new coin is risky. And when there's volatility, if you check the order book, you will see it should have movement, right? I'm not seeing too much of movement in this one, but I mean, a new listing is supposed to have movement. People are buying and selling because it's a new coin, right? That means they've done a lot of marketing. People are interested in buying the coin, even though I'm not seeing much of, velocity and volatility in the price. But anyways, that's the concept behind new listings, that if it's new, it should, right, go ahead and still give you the new vibes and people will still want to buy them. And, so that's the concept behind choosing either gainers, choosing losers, or choosing, new listings. But I'm going to go with gainers, right? I'm going with gainers. The reason why I love to go with gainers is because at least I can be Not like as if I'm so sure, but at least coupled with technical analysis, I should be able to get. So let's go ahead. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. So I'm going to be choosing any coin that I see that fits my budget. Like, don't forget, we have like about $440 that we're going to be working around with, right? But I'm not going to be putting all of that amount in one fell swoop. I don't do that. I love to share my trades across. Reason being that you don't want to put your eggs in one basket. Please don't do that. If you have $1,000, share it into like $200 in 5 places. It's okay, right? You have $5,000. Make sure you could do like maybe 5 trades, $1,000 each. Don't put that entire $5,000 into just one trade. It could be trapped for some time. You don't want to be under that kind of pressure. Okay, so let's go ahead. Just make sure that you learn step mode. I think I can go with this. And the RSI is what's that one? The RSI is 78. Can we go with this? But it's in pump mode. I love that. It looks like it's in pump mode. Maybe it will go. Let's just put $20 in there and see what we can get from BitGet. Okay, let's copy that, and then let's see the highest it went to in the past 24 hours. Okay, it went. No, this we have to choose. Oh, it has. It went to 4 what? Let's see. 4598. Let's see what that will give us. 4598. I see. 4598. Let's paste that in there. Okay, I love the look of that. Would it go beyond that? I think it would. Let's go and just pick this all up. Don't forget to tap. Tap, really tap. Don't forget, because you don't want it to do your strong thing, right? So let's go with it. One to go. Let's buy. Let's buy. Did it buy? I think we're in the queue. No, I don't like being in the queue. I think we can cancel that. I'd rather, right? 4521 is the next highest. I don't think I want that. Let's see. I think we should just. This is 4477. The next price is 444. Let's see. It's oh God. See 4479. 4479. 4479. Let's see. Let's see if it will go or put us in the queue. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see whether it's going to put us in the queue or it's going to get bought. Looks like we're in the queue already. Oof. Will it get bought? I'm not sure. I think I should just... the next price is 4521. Because if I buy it now, you see that the price will automatically change to that. Are we out of the queue? Is that 47? Wow. It's going down. It's going up. I mean, did I just say going down? I meant it's going up. Oh my God, I should have bought it. I think I just have to buy it. I just have to buy it. Let's just go ahead and just cancel it, okay? This one is in seriously in pump mode. But anyway, this is where we are. We will just have to buy it. Well, I don't know if it's going to go down or it's going to go up. I have no idea. But what I just want is I want to be sure that this is going to go up. If it's going to go up, I'm buying it. Oh, see it. It's looking beautiful. But this might just go down. Oh, well, I'll just try this out. I hope it wouldn't waste my time. Let's buy it. Let's buy it. Let's buy it. Should we? Oh, no. Don't buy it yet. Oh, I'm scared, you know that. I don't want a case where I'm going to buy it and then I'll regret. What if it goes beyond this? Look at it. I think we should try and... This one, can it push up more? Or is it going to go down after this? I'm scared about that. But, I mean, you do things afraid, right? So, let's just see. Why didn't I buy it the other time? I would have made money. Look at it. I would have made money straight away. Maybe I should stop talking and just take action, right? I think that's what I'm going to do. Let me just take action. Let's just take action. Let's take action. Let's take action. Let's go. Let's go. Let's. Yeah. Yeah. It's already bought. Next off is that we got to sell, right? We just have to sell it. And let's wait and see what we can get. Let's just wait and see. But before I do that, let me just get out of this and then see how much we can make, right? So I'm just going to put this at 4.8. Let me see whether it will get there. And let's see. Let's put it at 4.8. I don't get it. Oh, is it that? What happened? I don't get it. I'm still trying to figure out what happened. Oh my God. Someone has sold. The price has gone down. Yeah, I know. Now I've seen it. What happened? I'm trying to figure out what I've done. Anyways, let's put this at how much did we buy it as? I think we bought it at 4,750, of course. Let's check the trade details. Okay, it's sold in 2 tranches for 750. So this one we just have to trust God for it. Okay, 4.8. What's that gonna be? Oh, sales supposed to be at 4.8. This is not looking good. If I put it at 4.9, okay, that's a lot. 4.8 is still maybe 4.85. 4.85. Okay, 40 cents. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Let's see whether this is going to work. We're here already. I was contemplating, should I buy? Should I not buy? Should I buy? Should I not buy? But this thing has the propensity to just go up. Okay, let's wait and see what's going on. It's in 3 places up. Well, let's wait and see. We're here to find out and learn together, right? That's what we're here to do. Maybe I shouldn't have bought it, but I mean, you can just come back in the next few minutes and then before you know it, it's bought. It's sold. I mean, that's just the thing. Once people are buying it, it's going to go off the roof. Once people are buying, the only problem is that when people are selling and they keep on selling and they don't stop selling, then it goes down. But this looks like, oh, can you see where we are right now? This is our place, but you can see the dots is showing us where we are in the price points. So we're currently on the top mode, but it's once people keep on buying, it will keep on appreciating. We've placed UBXS. Let's wait and see to see how long this is going to take before we get this executed. All right. UBX. Oh, we haven't. Have we sold? Oh, no, we're still on it. We're still away from it. Okay. Well, that's still dancing around. How much did we buy it? That's, what was that? UBXS. We bought it at for 850. Is that not what we bought it? No. That's not what we bought it. We are trying to sell it at that. UBXS, we bought it at 4,750. Okay, so what's the price now? What's the price? Oh, it's gone down. So let's just wait. Let's see how this goes. We bought it a bit high. It's still, showing stuff, right? It's having its pullback moment, but it's on a green candle. Let's hope this pushes up and just goes past. Okay, that's all we want to just see. It just has to go past. That's all we needed to do. It will get there. It will definitely get there. Oh yeah, BitGet has executed. Yeah, just like about 1%. Yeah, kind of less than 1%. So UBXS, what a name. UBXS has executed. All right, so we have 37, almost like 38 cents here. So if we check in the history, we'll be able to check exactly how much it gave us. All right, so it gave us 2040. So it took 2 cents from us, right? That's 0.1%, right? It took that. So that's why we have like about 38 cents here, 37.9, but that's fine. That's great. So good one, UBXS. You did well, gave us 1%, and we're good. Good. That's good, done and dusted. Okay, let's see what's going on in the charts. Let's see what's happening in the charts. Oh, woo, look at this. It shot up high. Wow. It shot up high. Interesting. Can you see what I'm seeing here? A big, huge spike up happened. And now it's going back up again. It's going back up again. It'll take some time, but no, I'm not going into it for now. So let's go ahead and ship out the profit as usual. What I love to do. I love that. So let's just transfer it. So it's moving this to the funding part, right? So that's going to be USDT. So I'm going to put all, and then I'll ship out the profit. Ship out the profit, ship out the profit, ship out the profit. Let it go. Let it go. Okay, so we're back to our capital. Yeah, right there, sitting comfortably, waiting for another trade. MDT. Oh, MDT looks good. Do you want to try this out? Let's check it out. Let's check it out with $50. Okay, let's see what this is going to give us. Okay, so I'll just copy that, and then I'll check where it went to in the past 24 hours. Oh no, we have to decide on where it's going next. So let's see, we'll put it at 48. Let's say 48 or 475. Let's see what, not at all. 482, what would that give us? Okay, 91 cents. I think 482 will work. That's if we can even still get it at the price. Oh, well, you can see what's going on here. Let's see whether we can just pick this one up, right? Let's just put in $50 and try to pick it up. Let's see whether that will just work for us. Let's see. Ah, we're in the queue. I hate being in the queue. Come on, I hate it. Especially when I want to buy. So I hate being in the queue. Let's see. Let's put $50 here. Okay, let's buy that out. I think, what's going on? Still in the queue? Then that means that I have to pick a higher price. But will that work for us? It's at 4719. Let me go check it again one more time. Do I want to try this out? I don't think I'm sure about that. 479. The next one is 4721. 4721. Well, let's try and see whether it will go. That means it wants me to pick a higher price. 472. It's already there. So anyway, we don't have a choice right now. So let's just go with it. Let's go with it. Come on, what's going on here? I think it's because it went up again. Oh yeah, it's actually in going up mode. So I think we just have to pick up the higher one. We just have to pick it up. So let's just put $50 in there. It's gonna go. It's actually gonna go. Let's go with that. Yeah, bought already. So let's just quickly do our sell limit. Let's see what it's gonna give us. I think it was 482 that we decided on here. Let's check 482. 482 is actually gonna give us some good money. Let's check 89 cents. Let's just go with it. I don't want it to. Should we? Let's go with it. Let's make this higher, right? Let's make this higher. Let's see. Should I say 483 or 484? I just want to make it like about 485. Okay, let's try this out. Like I always tell you, we don't have to wait till it gets to that point. So 485. Let's do 485, and let's pick up 100%, and let's get it in the queue. Okay, because it looks like it's in pump mode. Let's hope that this, oh yeah, it looks like it's in pump mode and it should be able to hit it. Okay, so we'll be back to check you out MDT. Okay, oh, what's going on with MDT? Is there money to be made? Woo, it looks like there's money to be made. Let's go check it out. MDT, Let's see you. Let's see you. Let's see you. I don't know. I hope there's money to be made. Whatever it is, I'm gonna make you. There's money to be made. There's money to be made. There's money. There's money. There's money to be made. Oh yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna make this money. Oh, I'm in the queue. No, 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 no. I don't want to be in the queue. I don't want to be in the queue. Come on. There's money to be made. There is money to be made, so we just gotta have to do this. Let's see how much we can make. 77 cents. I'm going with this. Come on, come on. What's going on? What's going on? Is it going off? What's going on? It's just like, I don't know what to call this. Okay, maybe let's choose a smaller one. Let's choose a smaller one. Let's choose a smaller one. Okay, I just want to get money made. Yeah, we're out. We're out. We are out of MDT. We are out of MDT. Do you like my song? Give me a like if you love my song. So we're out of MDT. How much did we make? Oh, we made 61 cents. It's about over a percent. We're good. Over a percent. I'm sure it went up again, but that's fine. We're out. We're out. Okay, so how much did we make here? 61 cents. That was what? Oh, MDT. I'm like I told you. I mean, I always like to go back and check. You never know which one is actually working or gone out. All this kind of thing. So 50. Let's check how much that is times 1.3. Yeah. Was that 60? That's 61. That should be 1.21. 1.22, I guess. Yeah, 61%. 1.22%. So that's good. That's good enough, my dears.